mentioned, it's not for everyone or every country, I should say. The Philippines is part of it. That's why we're so excited. So we've seen this is working coming from last year. You know, we won the champion of the Asian leg, and why not this year? Although this year is going to be international competition, you know, we can win that championship in 2016. So that's my hope at least. So I'd like to encourage and challenge to that degree to join this Nissan GT Academy here in the Philippines, that we will bring out these GT pods to everywhere in the country. So from here, I'd like to explain, you know, what's going to happen in terms of how to join, where to find the information, and who can participate, so that you know how you can participate into Nissan GT Academy. Basically, who can join? Anybody. Especially for recruitment area, the period, anybody can join. Small, tall, young, old, male, female. Your background, it doesn't matter. You can participate, you can have fun. This is a new game, by the way, that never introduced in the world. In fact, this game will be available in November 2016. And because of the close partnership between Nissan Global and Sony Global, they make it available for GT Academy competition. So this is completely new, so have a go. So anybody can join up to recruitment phase. However, when we go through the national finals, we will invite top 20 based on few criteria. The first and the most important criteria is your lap time must be good, at least top 20. But in terms of, there's a few criteria, which is you have to be older than 18-year-old and have to carry driver's license and also Filipino passport. So we are inviting Filipino citizens to join this event. In terms of recruitment, will happen from tomorrow until end of August, and then national final will be taking place in September. And like last year, we will invite top 20 to national final. Out of top 20, we will give them a challenge of 4 different categories. One is the game challenge, another one is physical challenge, sit-ups, push-ups, and so on and so forth, and then Gymkhana challenge, and then media challenge. And I believe the guys over there, top 20 of last year, can tell you how exciting that challenge is. They're smiling, sorry. And we are going to select top 6 out of those top 20, and we will send them to UK Silverstone in October for race camp, where they are going to compete against top 30, or I should say 30 participants coming from 5 different countries or the regions, and compete against each other for the one champion out of 36 people in total. And if we can be the one, then it's going to be, you know, going through the driver development program and then joining the Dubai 24-hour competition in 2017 January. So the more information, you know, where you can find these pods during July to August, and when it's going to happen for the national finals and so on and so forth, those informations are available in Facebook of Nissan Philippines Facebook, which is facebook.com/Nissan Philippines Inc. And also all the information about GT Academy is going to be available in Nissan Philippines website, nissanphilippines.ph. So please join and good luck. Hope we get to see the winners of Nissan GT Academy 2016 out of the participants of Philippines. Thank you very much. Enjoy your evening.